Welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to ensure your WhatsApp status videos are always uploaded in high definition quality. Let's get right into the steps. Begin by launching the WhatsApp application on your device. Navigate to the top right corner and tap on three dots, and then tap on Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down and select Storage and Data. Within this section, locate the Media Upload Quality option. Tap on Media Upload Quality and choose HD Quality to enable high definition uploads. Next, return to your WhatsApp chats and tap on camera icon at top. Select the video you wish to upload as your status. You'll notice an HD icon at the top right indicating that HD quality is enabled. Tap the tick icon and select My Status. Add a caption if desired and tap Forward. Finally, verify your status by navigating to the Updates tab. Your video should now appear in HD quality. That's how you can easily upload HD videos to your WhatsApp status. For more tech tutorials and tips, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching.